Initiate morning.
How are you feeling today?
Spectacular.
Today's date, February 25th, 2029. The temperature is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It is currently 2:37 p.m. Reminder, in order to fulfill your probation agreement, you must complete
well
daily...
aware of my probation. Let's do it. Let's go.
Repeat after me. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts.
The happiness of my life depends on the quality of my thoughts.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step.
Journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step.
It's not failure. It's unfinished success.
It's not failure. It's unfinished success.
The level of positivity and enthusiasm is analyzed and completed as 63.7%. You must have a positivity level of at least 70% for it to qualify. Daily requirements successfully deposited to the Institute for Behavioral ID Analysis and Betterment of Mental Health.
Great.
I'll get the car ready to satisfy your weekly outdoor allowance.
Computer off. Off, computer.
Please verify your identity.
Okay.
Please move slightly to your left. Please move back to your right. Move 1 foot to your left and then split the difference back to your right.
Kidding me? I'm on the spot. I'm on it. Come on.
Identity verified.
Right. Computer off. Off, computer. Computer off. You fucking kidding me? Manual off.
Guarantee 79.8% accuracy. For only $30 a week, we can assure that the health monitor is completely up to date, so you can rest assured your vitals are slightly elevated today. If it remains this way, I will send a detailed data analysis to your primary care physician. Chance of incurable disease is 13%. I can see no emerging problems for the foreseeable future. Sleep analysis and privacy mode activated.
Location, question mark.
Your current location is Warren NH, established in 1763 and home to the Redstone Missile on the Common.
Yeah, why'd you take me
Due to
here?
your online history and accumulation of your interests, this environment is best suited to something you'd enjoy. It fits your affinity for the mysterious and morose.
Morose?
Morose. Definition: sullen and ill-tempered.
Yeah, I know what it means. Computer, take me out of here.
You must complete at least 1,000 steps required by the National Health Institute in order to unlock the driving capabilities of this vehicle. Run program 96.
Attention citizens. Starting now, an emergency lockdown is in effect. Report back to your dwellings. We are expecting an invasion. This invasion will put our communities and our country in jeopardy. Please refer to your televisions for all information. The military is on its way. They may knock at your door. Do not be alarmed. These soldiers have been trained to deal with this situation in a congenial and efficient manner. They will check your home and make sure it is clear of extraterrestrials. It is up to you to be vigilant. We are not certain or convinced that they will come in peace.
Car on.
You have only completed 130 getting some air.
Let's go. What the fuck is this? Come on. Let's get out of here. Get me out of
Emergency
here. See this
situation
guy.
detected. Self-preservation protocol initiated.
If you see any mysterious or suspicious activity, like the sheriff, this could save the lives of you and your family.
Customer 1176 is no longer considered mentally stable and is now deemed a threat. Activate drone strike. Target on the move.
If you do not comply with this message, you will be arrested on sight and held indefinitely without trial. Thank you. You have a pleasant day.
Hello, you have reached the Customer Identification and Modification Center. How may I help you today?
I would like to report an expired data vessel.
Oh, what a shame.
Yes, what a shame.
Ha 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 ha
Ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha.